Sonny, he be knowing what I like.
I already answered that. What was my least favorite year? Isn't that a question?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm getting the bad sign already. That was already recorded. Okay, so my least favorite year of high school would have to be my junior and my senior year. The reason why I say both is because my junior year we took a lot of testing, and all those are very stressful. Like, I'm not a test person. And my senior year is because all these teachers have the nerve to want to give us a lot of homework when it's like the last week of school. The question is, what TV, book, or play made a big impression on you? And I'm going to say The Great Gatsby. The reason why I think that book made an impression on me is because at the end of the day, basically people don't care about you. How it ended when he died and no one was at his funeral. So that was a big part for me. So that's the one that made an everlasting impression on me. With the new balance, ask me a question.
What was your favorite year of Florida?
My favorite year at Florida High was definitely my freshman year. The reason why I say my freshman year is because like my sophomore, junior, and senior year was like more stressful. You had to more things to do. You had to take more tests. So my freshman year, everything was new and everything was fun and exciting to me.
What are your plans after high school?
My plans after high school is to continue to play basketball. So I'm deciding right now which JC I want to go to. So after I go to my JC, I want to transfer hopefully to Oregon University. And after that, I want to be a physical therapist or athletic trainer.
My favorite year was, I have to say, like, freshman year. It's like I'm fresh on the campus. I'm developing who I am. I'm meeting new people. I'm that guy. I was on football. Yeah, that was my first year of football, too. So, like, each Friday night was, like, the itch, you know? It was like, and I had to say my junior year, yeah. Nah, hell no. My sophomore year, because that's when we had the trios, me, Trinidad, Gay, Rigo, where everybody parted ways and stuff. So yeah, trio, quadruple, all that, man.
I don't know, maybe I just gotta get used to college. Maybe I gotta get used to just, like, life after high school. Being a real adult. Living on my own, all that good stuff. Is it scary? I don't know. I can't wait to be on my own.
Go.
My favorite year at Florida High School was probably my sophomore year. Because I didn't really have to worry about nothing. I don't know. Like, okay, cut. My most challenging year is my senior year because you gotta worry about everything. And you got to worry about failing and not graduating, like, that's so stressful. For real, it's stressful. I say, for real. I don't know. It's hard because you got to worry about passing every class. You ain't got no makeups next year. It's like, it's do or die. You either go do it or you go, you know what it is. Yeah, you either gonna pass or you gonna fail. You gonna walk the stage or you ain't. It's stressful.
All about it.
Yeah, all about it. Just a tad bit. Okay, what's the next question?
I was most successful at football because the 3 years that I did play, like I gave my all effort. Like that's something that really changed my life. Like football being taken away from me, that's really like drove me downward. That made everything just turn into chaos over there. Like that kept me away from a lot of stuff. The piano, like that gave me another way to express myself. That was really back in my mind. Yeah, I said it. We're on now. I feel like I'm prepared for life just because I did so much during school. Subliminal. Like, it's easy. Think a plan, make a plan, do the plan. Life is really that easy. You gotta know what type of person you're gonna be. If you're gonna be the type of person to let it affect you, be down about it, or you gonna take that situation. Okay, what I'm gonna do now? What's the next plan? Because it was a lot of moments in my life where I was just dwelling on stuff. I wasn't getting shit done. It's like now I have no choice. I want to maintain this fly lifestyle. I want to be the guy you see. You know, I don't want to be on the street or nothing. So it's like you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do to do what you want. At the end of the day. Plans? After high school, you know, I'm all about the commerce. So we're gonna get on that a little bit. Then I'm going to CRC for 2 years and transfer to Hollywood because I talked to them in the beginning of my senior year. I'm just going to pursue this music thing as much as possible as I can, but I also want to go into psychology, figure out what certain sounds, what type of music, what kind of music to make to inspire a person's life, change a person's whole mood. You know, I just want to be able to touch people with the sounds that I make. It's the creativeness in my mind, and also work with movies, like scoring movies, the dramatic effect. I like that feeling that it gives me.
My favorite year at Howland High has to be my freshman year because I had a lot of time to think and hang out with my friends and I don't know, just be able to be free. I didn't really think about things. I just wanted to live life. I think I'm really prepared for my life after high school. I basically looked up whatever I need to look up for my future moving to San Diego. I budgeted for the next 3 years. I've looked at apartments, applied for jobs, and I've been accepted to all the schools that I want. So I feel like I'm really prepared and ready for high school to be over. Next school I'm planning on moving to San Diego and pursuing my culinary dream, becoming a chef and helping other people, doing community and other chefs in the area, and just be able to be free and do what I need to do.